Hi guys, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do a crochet with me using the Kima Braid Ripple Deep in 20 inches. Because I didn't want to have a whole lot of braids, I've just braided, I think, maybe 10 braids to the front, to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, yes. And then maybe 5 in the back. It turned out pretty thick, but it was still okay for what I needed it to be. This is the oil that I use. If you're using or if you are doing a protective style on your hair, don't forget to use oil before and also during while you're wearing that protective style. This is your standard crochet needle. I'm sure everyone is familiar with it. If not, this is what it looks like. This is the hair out of the pack, you guys. Like I said, it's 20 inches. The Ripple Deep is really soft and flowy, you guys. But I'm not gonna keep it 20 inches. I always cut mine in half, so that's basically 10 inches. And it hits really well, like right at the shoulder. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. So you just pull you a little section off. Of course, this is too big to crochet, so pull you your desired thickness. And be sure that you're careful with the proportions because sometimes you can be back heavy. I've done that before and it's not a good look. So if you've never crocheted before, this is basically what you do. You wrap the hair around the hook, pull the latch, pull the hair through. In the loop, through the loop, you will pull the hair through, twist it, and pull it through the other side. I failed to pin up my braids prior to crocheting, so this is basically what I'm taking a standard bobby pin and I am going to pin up all the tail ends of my braids. Good to go. So now I'm just going to start the crochet process, you guys. I usually start from the back and work my way to the sides. I can kind of see the proportion that way, so that's what I'm going to do. Basically, this is what I was talking about, just going across each braid, working the back first. So this is what that looks like so far. Now I've moved to the side, so this is what it looks like. You can kind of see and get a good feel of what it's gonna look like. And to me, when I start on the sides, I feel like I've made a lot of progress. that I'm done installing all of the crochet hair, it is cutting time. But first, I wanted to let you guys see that I did the invisible knot method. So it kind of looks like the hair is growing out of my scalp. All I have to do is lay down my edges when I get done, and you won't be able to tell. So this is what it looks like, full head. The back is longer. This is a pretty nice cut or length as is, but I've already started cutting the sides. So basically I'm just gonna cut the sides and frame my face. Try to keep it shoulder length, and it's kind of my base, and then I can move around to the back and the top and etc. I will say it can take some time to do the cutting process depending on how you want to wear your hair or the length, but I will say take your time on this part because one cut can mess up the whole look, you guys. My son, he's 9. God bless his heart. He had so many questions for me at that moment. I just told him to come on in and say hi, y'all. Howdy, y'all. So it's gonna peek his little head in a minute. That was a process. But I think I've gotten it just where I want it. And then of course you have to remember that over time this hair can shrink up some. So it may be, you know, wise to just keep it just a little longer. I didn't, however. You know, I wanted it this length when I first started. So just gonna cut it just a little bit more. And I think I've got it. Looks so cute, you guys. It's nice and flowy. Nice natural looking bob. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up if you did. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions about this hair or this process. I'll be more than happy to answer, or just a simple comment to say hello, you guys. I would like to connect with you. If this was your first time watching a video on my channel, please take a look around to see if this channel motivates you to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you here. So till next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.